I never imagined that I'd be running in college. And I never imagined the possibility of being able to go run against the top runners in the nation. So yeah, I've been incredibly thankful for all my experiences as a student athlete. Hi, my name is Zoe Baker. I'm a graduate student at Colorado School of Mines pursuing a master's in computer science, and I run cross country and track for our team.
Zoe she's extremely passionate about everything she does. And she has just gotten better each year, and that's just a testament to her level of dedication, that work ethic. It is a grind. I can't think of one practice she has missed in 5 years now. You know, she pretty much changed the program when she came in, because before she came here, you know, the women have never been on the podium in cross country, which for me was always like a dream goal. Right away when she came in, it was like an instant impact, and the team took off. And so now, we were one of the top teams in the country, and a lot of it has to do with just her deciding to come to Mines and doing what she does every day. She's such a strong team leader. She loves running, she loves school, and I think balancing them is something she does really well.
The number one thing that helps me balance it all is the community here.
Last one.
My team is 20 women that all study engineering and all are dedicated to running at a high level. And so having that community and that support system is just really, really special, because I know that I have a lot more goals and ambitions beyond just running.
She is really an amazing student. She maintained a GPA that is 4. That means she got 100 points in every courses in 4 years. She is very smart, she is very diligent, and also she is very collegial. She has published, 6 papers with team. Her first was in the #1 journal in medical image computing. These are tremendous achievements. Indeed, she is the #1 undergraduate research assistant I have ever seen in my whole career.
I do actually really enjoy computer science. It's a lot of teamwork and problem solving and just trying to get things to work, which I think is really cool. And I definitely want to try to do my best to convince more women to join computer science, just because I think there's some negative stereotypes associated with it, when really it is a lot of just creative problem solving, and there's so many cool applications.
I really love working with the student athletes that we have here at Mines, because I think they're resilient and hardworking. And when the gun goes off for a cross-country race or 5,000 meters on the track, I always feel like our athletes are just able to push a little bit harder than maybe the competition. It's just because that's the way they're wired, is to get where they want to go. It just takes a lot of hard work.
I think the biggest thing that running teaches you is just choosing something that you can do every day that pushes yourself out of your comfort zone. When it starts getting hard and the lactic starts building up, your legs start not wanting to move, it's just trying to stay calm and roll through it and just work for it.